Hey everybody, it's your girl Carrie Nick, and I'm here with my very first Ipsy video. I applied for Ipsy after wanting to do this for so long. I can't even explain how long I've been wanting to. I would say about at least 2 years I've been wanting to sign up for Ipsy. I don't even know what stopped me, probably because honestly I was pregnant and all that, and I just didn't bother putting on a lot of makeup. But now that I'm loving makeup, I'm so excited to share my Ipsy bag with you. This was, I think, $14 Canadian. I know it's only $10 US, and it came today, and I'm so excited. Came in this cute pink pouch. How adorable. It says, "Caution, keep package away from direct sunlight." I'm like, oh, it was in the mailbox, but it's okay because it was mostly covered. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, how cute is this bag? It reminds me right away of the 90s. I'm such a 90s girl, and like these colors, I used to have spandex. I used to have spandex like bicycle shorts with like a strip up the side, and it would always be like this color, girl. Or like, you know, like the whole like outfit, it was like all spandex. Like I don't know what the heck we were doing, but girl, we thought we looked poppin'. So the 90s is back, and I'm feeling it, Ipsy, I'm feeling it. Okay, what do we have in our little pouch? Oh my gosh. This says, "I will conquer." I like that. Game face. Fact, you've got this. Whether it's running a 5K, nailing a job interview, or a consistent skincare routine, everything you need to crush your 2018 goals is already within you. So true. Remember that. But since we could all use a little extra motivation sometimes, your January glam bag, 5 personalized pics, and the articles on Ipsy.com were designed to keep you game-faced and ready for anything all month long. We even teamed up with Candace Huffin of Day/1, an empowering activewear line, to express that everybody can slay every day. What will you conquer? Fill in the blank on the flip side of this card, post it on social, and tag Ipsy. Oh, I'll be doing this later, girl, because I'm about to conquer everything in 2018. Okay, girl. So the first thing we have is called Fierce Flicks, and anything with that name, Fierce, I'm ready for it. It looks to be like eyeliner, and it's from Ciaté, London. C-I-A-T-E. I'm not sure if that's how you say it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a felt tip eyeliner to do perfect wing. Oh my, look at that swatch. It's perfect. Like, I'm shook. I have been wanting like a perfect eyeliner for doing wings. Oh my gosh. But I'm not good at with liquid liner. Like, I've never tried to use one. So this would be like a step for somebody like me who's just learning how to do makeup, and I could learn how to do a perfect cat eye before I get into my liquids. Oh my gosh. Like, it looks felt, but it's not. Oh, and then you can do a thicker line. You have control, girl. I'm so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Already, you'd almost pay like $10 for that because it's so good. I'm excited. I'm excited. Next, we have Emma VSNP nail lacquer. It's called Mia Is My BFF, and this is first fast fashion polish line. New colors every month. Fast dry formula, lasts up to a week. I'm here for it, girl. You know I love a cute nail and a product that will last, because I'm always like doing all types of things that would make my nail polish come off. I'm not going to do a swatch for, well, actually I could do a swatch just on the box so we can see this beautiful color. Super pretty. It's like a lavender. I love lavender. Absolutely love lavender. The way it smells, the way it looks. you know, like I said before, lavender oil to soothe and just take redness out of your skin. We have Pure Lease Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask and Exfoliant. Gently resurfaces, detoxifies, brightens, tightens, smooths. 10-minute facial for all skin types. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so right off the bat, yes, this is small, but what did you expect for a sample bag, right? But if this works, I'm gonna definitely have to go out and get some because I've been having some skin issues, girl. I don't know what it is. Probably not getting enough sleep. What else do we have here? DLS, Dirty Little Secret. What is this? Eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's an eyeshadow. I don't know why I just got so excited. Like, eyeshadow. Oh my god. Okay, girl. Girl, why do I always have problems open up boxes? Like you would think it's rocket science. Carrie does not know how to open a box. There we go. It's a regular box. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, let me just say, bronze for days. This is called Bikini. This is gorgeous. Oh my god. This is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let me just swatch this. Girl, is the light picking that up? Oh, this is a good bag. January bag, poppin'. We have one more product left. Gold Lust Dry Shampoo by Oribe, O-R-I-B-E. It says clean, weightless, healthy hair. Okay, well, it's telling me how to use it. I know how to use a dry shampoo. What I'm wondering is if it's called Gold Lust because it's going to be gold. Like, is there shimmer? I'm about to spray this. Ooh. Girl, I don't recommend doing that. It comes out really, really hard and fast. And no, there's no gold. This reminds me of, like, that snow that you would put on the window at Christmas. Like, oh, girl. Okay, so let's face it, we all need a nice dry shampoo from time to time. Okay? So that is a good product too. I'm really happy with this bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I finally signed up for Ipsy. If you don't already know, I'm sure you do. If you follow my channel, you must know that I've partnered up with FabFitFun recently as well, and I put my link down in the description box. You click my link and you use the code FIRSTBOX and you can get $10 off your first subscription box. Girl, I can't wait to unbox one of those for you. Right now they have the editor's box because the winter box cutoff time is over, and then the spring box will be coming soon, so you'll be able to sign up for that. So just, you know, look in the description down below. There's going to be links for that, and you can get yourself a little lifestyle box. As for Ipsy, I'm not affiliated, but I am loving this box. I am happy with absolutely everything in here. No lie, like, I'm going to use every single thing in here, including this little 90s case, because it's freaking adorable. So we have that for you, and also a mini Amazon thing, because I didn't have a haul set up, but I did, however, get my brand new reflector from Amazon. So I didn't want to make a whole video just about a reflector, so I'm gonna do this upside down because I'm not trying to show you where I live, and I forgot to go ahead and take that off the box. Okay, now that we've got our scissors, I'm going to go ahead and open up my Amazon box. Some of my favorite words. Gotta love Amazon. So it's by the brand Newer. I always thought it said Newer. They're the same ones I bought my umbrella light from, and it works really well. It's affordable. This reflector is for when I do my photography, because I'm also a photographer in Saskatoon. If you haven't looked at my page yet, it's Bridge City Captures, Carrie Shepherd Photography as well, if you look that up. I'm going to be doing some stuff here this spring. I haven't shot for a while. As a girl, I was pregnant for almost 2 years, so been a little off my grind, but we're back. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Woo, woo. Okay, I'm so excited for this reflector. Ooh, child. Woo, woo. Girl, I wasn't ready. I didn't know it was gonna be that big. You can't make it up here on Carrie Nick's channel. You get the realness. Okay, reflector, child. How do you like that? Yes. Okay, so this actually, if you open it up, I'm pretty sure it has white and gold as well. I'm not at the best angle for filming that, I suppose, because I'm at my kitchen table, and girl, I was not ready for that. Yes. Pull her back, and she is gold. All the glitters is gold, honey. So, gold. You gotta love a nice gold reflector. It gives you a warm glow. I can't wait to use this out. As soon as I start taking photos again, it's gonna be so awesome, showing you guys all the different equipment that I'm gonna be getting and all the new stuff I'm gonna be doing this year. I just can't wait to show you all my new stuff of 2018. Girl, don't make resolutions, make real life happen. And until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll include the links below for the products as always. And remember to love each other and be good to yourself.